This is a 2005 FXST Softail Standard. Brilliant silver in color with just under 30,000 miles on this fuel-injected motorcycle. Note the Screaming Eagle slip-on mufflers with the full stage 1. The classic brushed or silver motor as opposed to the black and chrome. The Millennium Man decoration on the air cleaner cover. Smoked turn signal lenses and a custom headlight bucket. Note the pullback on the handlebars from this particular angle. Custom grips with a nice cushion for your riding comfort. Note the nice deep bucket on the seat and a spacious passenger pillion. The nice clean lines of a Softail Standard fuel-injected motorcycle ready for you to ride today.